currently 5:21 and we're hurrying up and getting this stuff loaded up.
Dirt you got up there.
But the go-go juices in here, ooh, bad news bears.
You should have stopped with us.
Well, I might end up setting this up all and then go and get fuel, then come get this. It's that bad. Wanna back up on me? Hop on that.
That's you setting the taper. He's gonna start setting the taper. Woo! Fuck, you better get over.
If you guys are gonna do type 3s, I'll walk all this and set it and see how it ends.
What we do?
Huh?
What happened?
We got lights on first time.
Tips and tricks.
Daddy learned jigging.
Hey, when you're little, you gotta use everything you got. Am I right? Type 3.
What about 4? I can do 4.
Let's see if this works what the old TanTan taught us. Okay. All right. Huh?
Sorry. I didn't even bleep that one out.
Well, I've never had to do it because I usually just pick up from the back and the middle. Hey, are we putting lights on those before we leave?
Hey, hold on.
My man's about to take off again without the lights.
I hate to say this, but can you go get those?
My boy.
Because my boy over here said 1,000 foot and set out this
I know this man see me walking across the street.
I did the governor and all.
I'll go get it.
Back to do whatever.
This man didn't tell you were done. He said he said get back in that truck.
Hold, not done. Hold.
Alright, now we're out here picking up the rest of these shines. Dude, some smells good. needs an extra cheeseburger.
Anytime you got something like this, something that's not your usual, it's special. What they call it.
Uh-huh.
And they're
Is that like the other sign that we did, that we took down on 71st?
yeah, it's not expensive.
It's not as expensive, but they're still expensive.
Well,
Is it just because there's so much?
It requires so much sheeting. Like that one from 71st, you know how much they paid us for one of those? $750.
$750.
There you go.